In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Dropbox from a Windows PC, specifically focusing on the Windows 11 operating system. Whether you're freeing up some storage space or simply want to remove Dropbox for other reasons, it's a fairly straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by ensuring that you've closed Dropbox completely before initiating the uninstallation process. Begin by locating the Dropbox icon in your taskbar. This icon usually resides in the system tray, typically found in the lower right corner of your screen. The icon could appear as a small box or your profile picture. Once you've spotted it, click on it. Next, you'll need to select your avatar, which could be your profile picture or initials. This will bring up a menu where you'll find the option to quit Dropbox. Click on this to ensure that Dropbox isn't running in the background while we proceed to uninstall it. Now that Dropbox is closed, we can head towards uninstalling the application. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and from there, navigate to Settings. The Settings icon is represented by a gear, so it should be easy to spot. In the Settings menu, go to the Apps section and select Apps and Features. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your computer. We need to find Dropbox in this list. If your computer is running Windows 11, you might notice these small 3 dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, next to each app. Find Dropbox and click on this ellipsis to reveal additional options. One of these options will be Uninstall. Select this and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the removal process. These prompts will guide you through the necessary steps, and it's typically just a matter of confirming that you wish to proceed with the uninstallation. After Dropbox has been successfully uninstalled, you have the option to remove your local Dropbox folder, especially if you no longer need any of the files stored there. To do this, open File Explorer and navigate to your user folder. You'll typically find it in a path similar to c/users/your name, Dropbox. Once you're there, you can decide to either delete the folder or move it elsewhere. However, please ensure you have backed up any files you may still need, just so you don't accidentally lose any important data. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Dropbox from your Windows PC. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.